Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can collect new shields in Monopoly Go. Well, if you're going to open your showroom on Monopoly Go, then you will find all your different shields. And basically, I'm using now the Defender, but you can actually get or collect some new shields in this game. Now, the first way here to basically collect the new shields is by joining the today's quick wins. So if you go back to your map, as you can see, or your board, basically here when you tap on this today's quick wins, you can check if there's a possibility that if you join on this one, you will get some rewards like a different shield. So you just have to regularly check this today's quick wins. Now the second way on how you can collect a new shields is by joining some events on Monopoly Go. So if you're going back here, if you tap on this event or tournament, basically we have now Space Race tournament. So you have to join on every events on Monopoly Go and make sure that you play a lot of times on Monopoly Go so you can get more shields on or different shields on Monopoly Go. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.